Hello everyone, today I'm going to do a fundamental analysis on Orange SA company, which is a French multinational telecommunications industry, which analysis will be based on my dividend and cash flow calculators. Initially, I would like to start with cash flow statement of this company. And as you can see, and if you remember from my previous video, I need the free cash flow growth of previous years. So I need these numbers here to be adjusted in my calculator. Here you are. I actually have already written the initial investment, for example, it 10k. The weighted average cost of capital is 4.91, and this number we can take it here 4.91, okay, and just adjust it in my calculator. And average percentage of free cash flow is absolutely these numbers. I have this already done it. And here you are, we actually take some potentials through future cash flows, the net present value of them, and then we're actually comparing in all of these, the net present value from initial investment, and we take a good price, a good, for example, percentage. If we are going to compare, it's almost 7.3%, okay. And as you can understand, is it worth? And it's absolutely worth. So it's our first correction in our mind that it could be a good investment if our mindset is actually based on discounted cash flow. Let's keep going and appraise this company from dividends model 2, because it's pointless if we are going to do just the discounted cash flow valuation for companies who actually provide dividend. Okay, so we come here and check about the previous dividend history. And as you know, for my calculator, I need from 2020, the previous years, the previous dividend growth. Okay, all of these numbers, 20, this two for this year, these two for 2021, and they actually last for 2023. And come here in my dividend discount model, I have already adjusted to not waste your time here in my calculator, and we take the average. One more that actually I would like to show you is the last cash amount of dividend share. We actually we can take this number from here, from the same side, and the last one is the dividend yield, 6.89. And as you can see, I have already adjusted this here too. But last but not least, I would like to show you that what somebody can write here on 2024. Because somebody could wonder, can I write here some big potentials in an increase on dividends model or some decrease? It absolutely depends on the trader and on investor who actually would like to evaluate a company more or just lose from the numbers which actually is right now. So if somebody would like to overvaluate or actually to undervalue the company, it absolutely on investor. I would like to write here the previous dividend and the future dividend, because we can take this number from here, since you can see that the payment date maybe it can be on 6th July on 2024, but the amount is 0.42. And if we are going to calculate with the previous exactly the same period, okay, just don't fall in this trap. We need to compare this one from the previous year, not this October, the payment date which was then December, the same period of the previous time. So we need this one, the 0.40. And if we are going to calculate it, we are going to take a percentage. So let's come with me and do this calculation to take the percentage of this increase. And as you can see, it's 5%. Okay, we can absolutely write this number here, 5%. And about the second, we can actually take an average of the previous years, or we take an average of we are going to compare this one, of the 2020, 2021, all of these calculations to take an average. But right now, I would like to adjust, for example, the 4%, okay? And if you believe that it may be something that actually I overvalue this company, right here 4% too, and just take some numbers beyond of our model actually predict. Okay, here you can take the fair value on 90.41 pounds, dollar, whatever it can be, and as you can see right now it's on 11.05. So as you can understand, our dividend model actually can ensure our valuation for this company to buy it right now. Okay, and finally I would like to show you that the way actually why I tell you that you can buy this stock and hold it, not maybe forever, but actually for some years, or for 2 or 3 years, due to the reason that if we are going to seeking for the fluctuations that this stock has in previous time, for example, if we are going to compare this on previous 500 days, okay, I'm just for almost 2 years, we can see that these fluctuations, it can be the maximum of 50%. It's not so horrible, it's not so huge percentage for these companies. Oh, and never forget and keep in your mind that this company, the market capitalization of this company is $25 billion. Okay, so you can understand that if something can happen in economy generally, for example, maybe some inflations, or maybe we have some difficulties on dollars, on or whatever it can actually influence this company much better if you are going to compare this one with other company which actually are in the same industry. So it's so much helpful for investors to understand that this company that they don't have so big fluctuations on the previous time of period, and it can be the third actually confirmation for our analysis to ensure that we can actually open a trade and run into this company in a long-term position. Thank you very much for watching. Just push like and subscribe our channel to support us. See you in next video. Goodbye.